السلام علیکم خدا وکړي چې ښه وئ جوړ وئ تکړه وئ صحت کې وئ وښه زه دویم ورته بیا راغلم. ډېرې خوشي وخت ده، ډېر د مینې محبت وخت ده او مو ته ډېر ملګرو خویندو ورونو میسیجونه وکړه چې دا ته پیغام ته په انګریزي کې ووایه. And I have a very good sister here named Confidence غواړي چې دا پیغام ته زه انګریزي کې ووایم. سو دغه پیغام مو تیر په پښتو کې یله ده دوه ګنټه مخکې اوس په انګریزي کې دې ته وایم. So hello, namaste, adab, bonjour, wagwan. I am very, very grateful and very, very happy today. Not even happy, because happiness is not a sense of dependency on the physical space, but I'm truly in gratitude. And because of what it has confirmed, what I've been trying to convey this message, and now it has come to in a physical form, it has come to the truth. So I will have the opportunity to go to Washington DC to the Afghan embassy, who have welcomed me with open arms to exhibit my first art event or showcase my artwork. And the reason I am very proud of this moment and I want to share it with all of you is because this embassy has confirmed that we as a community stand together and that we help our own and that we stand with our youth. I'm Wade, but you know what I'm saying. And I want to encourage every Afghan and anyone that's listening to, does not have to be an Afghan. It can be a person from any culture, any community, to understand that when you help your own, help will come itself. And we standing together with each other, we will do great work. And also being able to express ourselves through art, through music, through sports, through puzzles, and helping by coming together is just will just break many, many chains. Because any one of us that's holding this light of hope, understanding, and has the knowledge, if we share that candle, that light with everybody else, we will be able to pull everybody out of darkness. And if we do it with the approach of love and compassion and mercy, we will not have to hurt anyone. The chain will break itself. Teshwa? So I want to thank the Afghan embassy and all those beautiful men and women that have come together to help support the women, the men, the children of Afghanistan. My friend here has some questions for me. You wanted to talk to me? We're live, so you have to do it. Don't worry, I won't show you. So.
Okay, you won't show me?
No, so okay. You can ask, but they will hear you.
Okay.
Go ahead.
So, we all know you're not into material things.
No.
So, what is so special about you going to Washington and exhibiting your artwork?
First, it's confirming that whatever we think in life, what we put our mind into and apply those dreams into goals and action will come true. This is what I am confirming. And second thing is our own community coming together and helping. Because I've always believed that if we do things from the place of understanding and truly do it for the love of the people, the love of the people will come back. Life is like a magnet, you know. Anything you throw out will come back. And I'm very proud of this moment because my own people have rise with me. And it's also breaking this stereotype of Afghan men don't help their women. It is confirming that's not correct. And I've always felt a lot of love for my people. The Afghan men, the women, and the children. I've been encouraged to do the work I do. And this is just another confirmation that the people of Afghanistan, the men of Afghanistan, they honor their women. Because I've been honored with so much praise and love. And that's why I'm so happy about this moment. Do you have any more questions for me?
What would you say to young women out there like you who have, you know, you did artwork for, like you said, over 10 years?
20 years.
20 years,
Yes.
but you didn't put
Publish.
it out.
No.
Yes. So what would you say to women like you who have been working on things but just didn't? First of all, what stopped you from publishing?
I have never been held back. I just did not have the purpose. I think having the intention of doing something has to be there. Something held me back, like wait, because I don't believe in just selling or doing things. It has to have a meaning. And I guess this was the time. And what message I have for the men, the women, I don't like to be just specific about gender. We're all people. We're all brothers and sisters around the world. Is that to believe and we're believers. We're people of the knowledge. We're people of the truth. So accept it, embrace it, and know that your effort, whatever you're planting, you will taste the fruit of it if you continue to plant, give nutrition to your plant, because your seed will eventually come out and you will be able to enjoy the fruit. And remember that this journey is not going to be easy, but that's the beauty of it. Because the harder it comes at you, you will get that much stronger. So life, I look at as a preparation for greatness. Because if you are a believer in the divine greatness, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then you will know that you're going there. So everything that comes at you is just embrace it. And that's what I hope the people of Afghanistan get this confirmation. You know.
What would you advise the people to do to get closer to finding their purpose?
Allow yourself to love. You are enough. You are enough. Allow yourself to love and know you're worthy. Know you're loved. You have come from love. You'll go back to love. So live in love. Know you're good. Know you're great. Know you're amazing because you are. And when you understand that, when you recognize it and accept that you're good, and you will be okay for the rest of your life. Because when you keep that mindset, you have broke every chain of expectation, validations. You broke from that. You've become one with oneness, and you connected directly to the source, the knowledge, which you can share with gratitude, and then your heart is already full. So you're not looking for anyone to validate you. You know you're good, and you're going to a good place. So that will help you, give you that purpose, because your true purpose is to love, and love you and love others around you. And that will give you patience, gratitude, mercy, humbling. What else? There's so much more. You receive much more with this approach of life. And I'm living it. You guys know that. I'm just, I apply this way of thinking, and I'm living one of my greatest time of my life. And have all the love from everyone around the world. I'm experiencing it, and now it keeps adding, and now my own family from around the world is welcoming me, and that's why I am so grateful, and I want to share this message in every language possible to confirm to our community that everything in life is possible. I'm getting emotional. Do you have any more questions? Because I want to shut her down. So that's it. That was my message. Believe in yourself and know the truth and stand by it. And thank you so much again to my community around the world that have welcomed me, and now they want me to help me shine even more, because the more we shine, help each other polish, the greater our shine will be. And that's the simple recipe of life. Live to love, receive love, give love, 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 love. Shut it down?
Yeah.
سلام علیکم خدای دې وکړي چې انګریزانو چې به کې پتنګړه کې ډېر واغې کېدله سلام علیکم